Hi everyone, I'm Nathaniel. I'm one of the co-founders of Greenwood Labs, and this is the second of 3 tutorials covering loan management on Greenwood V2. Today, we'll focus on depositing collateral to outstanding cryptocurrency loans. So let's get started. For this demo, we'll be using the Coven deployment of Greenwood V2, which you can find at coven.greenwood.finance. It's important to note that Greenwood V2 is currently unaudited, so please exercise caution if you decide to use our mainnet deployment. First, you're going to need to connect to a wallet on the proper network. Now that we're connected, we can see that our outstanding loans are loaded to the interface and are ready to be managed. So let's click the My Loans button. As we discussed last time, the My Loans view has all of the information you need to manage your outstanding loans. First, click the loan you want to interact with. Next, we can choose one of the loan management options. Let's deposit collateral for this loan. We can enter the amount we would like to deposit in the field below, and then we can press the blue Deposit button. As we can see on the left side of the screen, the transaction is pending. And we know the transaction has been successful when the status complete toast appears and our collateral locked increases by our deposited amount. And that's it. We've successfully deposited collateral to our cryptocurrency loan using Greenwood. Next, we'll take a look at withdrawing collateral.